Okay, good luck. What a sign of respect.
Yeah, we're such good players. If
True.
you're watching this video, take notes. You gotta shoot above someone before the game starts.
Mm-hmm.
Or you're
And
safe.
you do it in FFAs too.
You have to do it against every single player.
Yeah, you have to shoot above every player. That's how that works.
100
And
player
also,
game. No
when you're in
one's
when you're in an FFA, make sure to shoot at everyone an equal number of times. So like, shoot at someone twice. Yeah, preferably twice.
Or just like, you know, target someone in a corner. Because that's like how half people play.
True.
We can play about FFAs. I haven't dealt with that shit in like forever.
Well, I played pubs today.
Oh yeah, that's true.
But I didn't really get in any FFAs. So
yeah, it was just you and a VAP.
There was like 6 people playing. Because the game was like really alive.
Oh. Actually, you need 8 to start, so that was...
Oh wow, good observation. You're so lucky. Oh my god!
You're my Gherkin. Kinda sounds like, oh my god.
I love Emma Griffin.
Bro, he's gonna watch this video and be like, what the fuck? I've been talking to these people in like years. Is that an Emma
No,
Griffin?
me and Emma Griffin talk every day.
3, 4, 2, 2? I get it?
Yep. Also, shout out to Flame Girl.
215. I know that one. Like,
you know Kyrie? Remember Kyrie?
Was that the TNT runner?
Yeah.
Fuck, I know what you're talking about. He had like 7 numbers.
It's 7084. I don't know why I remember that. Oh my god. Relax.
Now you only got 1 for that shit.
We just traded.
Yeah, but I used 3 reps. Negative differential.
Yeah, I don't know why I remember Kyrie's numbers.
I mean, ouch, holy shit. Thank you. Oh wait, I'm in double F5. I'm trolling. I walk in.
Yeah! Yeah! Oh, shit, what? You guys saw that. Everyone watching the video saw that. Xtrem should be dead.
Nope. Feathered against the side of the TNT, which set me up just enough. Counters the down rep. Pro tip.
Oh, is that a real tip?
I think kinda. I think it does work. But like, you have to be at the level of the TNT.
I think you're right, actually. I think I've done that before, like on accident, and it worked.
It does like prevent you.
Yeah.
But, like, you're already at like halfway up the TNT, so it's not like you're gonna get down up that bad anyway.
Yeah.
My arrows are not shooting.
Oh. I have good connection.
Oh, is that you? I thought that was lagging.
Might be the server, I don't know.
I'm better now. Are you still lagging?
Oh, yeah, I'm lagging a little bit. I'm good now, though. Oh. This is the part where I just lag for the rest of the game. No. Oh, fuck.
You missed that?
In my heart, I didn't miss it.
What? My DJ just didn't work?
I'm so good.
Sure.